Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will solve this problem from mensuration 2D. Here ABC is a triangle. A semicircle is drawn by taking the side AC, that is this side. A semicircle is drawn by taking this side as a diameter. And another two semicircles are drawn taking these two sides as diameter. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So we have to find the area of the region, these two. So how we can find these two area? That can be found by taking the area of whole region, the area of whole figure minus area of big semicircle. So let's find the area of the whole figure. That is, area of whole figure equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of semicircle AB, that is the area of the semicircle whose diameter is C, plus area of the semicircle BC, that is whose diameter is A. Now let's find this. So area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. This is a right angle triangle. So area is half. Here base is A, height is C. The area of this triangle is half AC. Now area of semicircle whose diameter is C. So radius is equal to C by 2. Now area of the semicircle is half pi C by 2 whole square. Now find area of semicircle with diameter equal to A. Its radius is equal to A by 2. So its area is equal to half pi A by 2 whole square. Therefore, the area of the whole figure, that is equal to half AC, that is area of the triangle, half pi C by 2 whole square plus half pi A by 2 whole square. Now find area of the big semicircle. So area of the big semicircle. Diameter of this semicircle is equal to B. Therefore, radius of this semicircle is equal to B by 2. Therefore, area is equal to half pi B by 2 whole square. Now to find the area of the shaded region, we have to subtract this area, that is area of the big semicircle, from the area of the whole figure. So area of the whole figure was half AC plus half pi A by 2 whole square plus half pi C by 2 whole square, and we have to subtract the area of the big semicircle, that is half pi B by 2 whole square. So let's do this. So area of the shaded region is equal to half AC plus half pi a square by 4 plus half pi c square by 4 minus half pi b square by 4. So it is equal to half AC plus half pi will be common. So a square by 4 plus c square by 4 minus b square by 4. So we get half AC plus half pi. Now add them. 4 is the LCM. So a square plus c square minus b square. Now we had ABC, a right angle triangle. So this was B, this was A, and this was C. This is right angle. So in a right angle triangle we have the relation that is Pythagoras theorem. A square plus c square is equal to b square. So here, from here we get half AC plus half pi. So in the place of a square plus c square you will put b square. So we get b square minus b square by 4. So we get half AC plus half pi into 0. So therefore we get half AC. Therefore the final answer is area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is half AC. That is area of the right angle triangle. Area of the right angle triangle ABC. So area of the shaded region is area of the triangle. So this is the solution. Thanks for watching.